Hi, I'm Ron Wilson, host of In the Garden. Well, the temperatures are starting to cool down at nighttime, so that means it's time for you to start thinking about bringing those tropical plants indoors. And if you are, a couple things you want to do. One, make sure you set them in a shady location for 10 days, 2 weeks to help acclimate to the lower light conditions they're going to get in your house. No matter how bright it is in your house, it's still different from being outside. Days are getting shorter, so count on some of the leaves to yellow and drop when you bring them inside. It's natural. Don't overreact and overwater. Speaking of which, water with warm water and water when they're dry. Don't keep them evenly moist, especially during the winter season. Also, during that period of time while they're outside, hose them off a couple times to knock off any bugs or insects that may be on there. And before you bring them inside, a little insecticidal soap for a last-minute kill of those insects to make sure you're not getting any hitchhikers. And one last thing, pull it out of the pot. Make sure you don't have any hitchhikers in the bottom of that pot. If you think there are a few bugs in there that you might want to get rid of, just take the whole thing, set it down in a bucket of water, let it sit there for a couple hours. Whatever's in that soil will drown. Take it out, let it drain, bring it in the house. And keep that insecticidal soap on hand just in case you have a few bugs break out once they are inside the home. A couple plants here to show you. This is Sweet Dreams Coreoptris, showing some late fall colors. Absolutely gorgeous. The point being, Coreoptris, first of all, a good all-summer bloomer. The fact that when this thing was kind of pooping out about the middle of August, and a lot of dead flowers on top, we sheared this back to about 6 to 8 inches above the ground, flushed back up. Look at all the color. It'll last for us right on into late fall. Also, this is a repeat, but I wanted to show you because it's finally in bloom. Montauk Daisy. It's a perennial. It's in the mum family. Truly a late fall bloomer, just now starting to show up with these Shasta Daisy-like flowers. Great for a cutting flower, great perennial, comes back every year. Montauk Daisy, great to be added to your perennial garden for late fall color. For more information, visit our website, ronwilsononline.com.